Alam niyo ba na ang emotions can hinder our success? These are the several reasons why. Number 1, impaired decision making. Kapag tayo emotional, kadalasan, padalas-dalos tayo ng desisyon na ginagawa. In the end, tayo din na napapahamak. Number 2, interpersonal conflicts. So, emotion like anger can cause conflict and nakakahinder ito sa collaboration and teamwork natin sa ibang tao, which is essential for success. Number 3 is procrastination. Emotion like fear is isa sa nakakahinder para tayo maging success dahil na-delay nito yung mga important goals natin na dapat nating ginagawa dahil sa ating fear. So, number 4, lack of resilience. So, ito yung example nito is kapag tayo ay nag-fail, nag-i-stop na tayo without knowing na fail is part of success. So, number 5, distraction. So, kapag tayo emotional, nawawala yung focus natin dun sa mga important na bagay na dapat nating ginagawa towards sa ating mga goals. So, number 6 is health impact. So, nawawala rin yung ating eating habit. Nababago siya. So, yung iba kapag stress, kumakain sila marami. So, yung iba naman hindi nakakakain. And it will cause them health breakdown and disease. So, emotions are natural. Pero kung mamamanage natin ito ng tama, it will also help us to achieve our goal. God bless!